Hey guys, it's me Gunjan Singh and welcome back to our channel Anmoll Fashion. Today I want to show you some of my different design. So let's start it. So first product is very beautiful bandhej printed. Fabric is chanderi silk. Okay. So this is the very beautiful sari. You can see color combination is very beautiful. Print is bandhej printed. Okay. And you can see different color combination. This is very beautiful sari and you can see the border on the sari and multi-color sari. Okay, and this is the pallu and you can see the pallu is also beautiful, also attractive, and this is the blouse, dark pink color blouse. Okay, second sari is also bandhej printed. Okay, fabric is same chanderi silk. Okay, and this is the proper look sari and you can see color combination is very beautiful, bright color yellow and sky blue. Okay, and this is the pallu. You can see very beautiful pallu. Okay, and this is the blouse, dark blue color blouse. Blouse size is 1 meter, sari size is 5.5, total size is 6.5. Next, also bandhej print and fabric is also chanderi silk. Okay, so this is the proper look. You can see color combination is very beautiful, dark blue and white color combination and beautiful border, and you can see the pallu. See, very beautiful pallu. Okay, and this is the blouse, dark navy blue color blouse. Okay, and next sari is in red color, blood red color. See, this is the proper look and print is also bandhej print. Fabric is also chanderi silk. Color combination is very beautiful and this is the proper look of the sari and this is the pallu. Okay, and this is the blouse in red color. Okay, and we have lots of collection in sari. Seriously, see, one more sari in red color, same fabric chanderi silk. Okay, and same bandhej printed, and this is the pallu and this is the blouse. Okay, and different sari, different color print and fabric same chanderi silk fabric, and this is the proper look on the sari and you can see different dark color combination and this is the proper border. Okay, and this is the middle portion on the sari. You can see beautiful printed and this is the pallu. And this is the beautiful blouse, 1 meter blouse, and this is the print. Okay, our next sari, color combination is very beautiful and one more thing, color is so funky, so elegant, and you can see print is also different. Okay, and the border, you can see this border. Fabric is chanderi silk, very demanding fabric. Okay, and this is the pallu. Now I want to show you the blouse. This is very beautiful dark pink color blouse. Our next sari, see, sky blue and dark navy blue color combination in this sari and you can see the proper look. Like beautiful printed and color combination is also good. You can see the border and this is the pallu. And this is the blouse, 1 meter blouse. Okay, sari length is proper fully length like 5.5 and 1 meter blouse, total length is 6.5. Now different printed bagru printed sari, fabric same, silk cotton, okay, but print is bagru printed. Different design, different pattern and different color combination. And this is the pallu, and you can see different design, different pattern, and this is very beautiful pallu, and this is the blouse. Okay, now with different sari, print is bagru print and fabric is cotton silk fabric. Okay, fabric is chanderi silk. So guys, hope so you like this video, you like our collection. If you like something, so please contact us, number given in this